What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, travel highlights, coming to you from Ljubljana. I believe that's how you say it. Here in Slovenia. This is my country number 93. I'm going to explore more of Yugoslavia, or the area formerly known as Yugoslavia. Croatia is just south of here. So Slovenia, Croatia, Serbia, Bosnia, Herzegovina, and Montenegro I've already been to. Albania, I'm not sure if that was. Kosovo. Wow, look at this place. Really nice. They call this, I believe, the Eastern Bloc. Former Soviet countries, now independent. This is, I think, called the Dragon Bridge. I'm not sure exactly. Real beautiful here. All right, so we got corn. Wow, what a cool city. Last time I was over here, I was in Slovakia. Went to Bratislava, and then I went to Budapest, and then I came to Zagreb, Croatia. But I didn't come here. Wow, what a cool city, huh? There's the castle up there. Ljubljana Castle. They say, Ljubljana, the most beautiful city in the world. I'm still trying to figure out what language they speak here. It almost sounds Italian. Oh, wow. It's quite bustling. Yeah. So around the castle, down here, which way do we go? Anyway, we came in from Venice on a bus. It took about 3.5 hours. We stopped in a Trieste or something like that. Never been there, but we stopped there. It's like a cruise port, essentially, for the Adriatic. Oh, here's some traditional foods. Let's see what they got. And that came in from Rome on the night sleeper. Okay, fish, sea bass, beef, carpaccio. All right, grilled calamari. So we're kind of near the Alps. Donatello. Gotta find this Dragon Bridge. What is this? Oh, Church of St. Nicholas. All right. But yeah, the night sleeper from Rome took about 6 hours. We arrived 6 or 7 hours to Venice. We arrived at 6 o'clock in the morning. I had a bus on the Flick bus scheduled for 6:40, and then it was downpouring, and I was waiting there, getting drenched, all my suitcase and luggage and everything getting absolutely soaked, and then why is it fogged up? I'm noticing the screen is fogged up. It's probably from how wet everything got. Hopefully my computer and electronics are good. Confident they will be. Anyway, I'm going to walk more across this bridge here and into the other side of the town. I'm not going to go up to the castle. I didn't sleep very good last night on that train. So I'm a bit tired. But yeah, the rain, I mean, I was soaking wet. I changed my shirt, got soaking wet again in my new shirt. The rain was brutal. It was unrelenting. Relentless. Oh, they got a little tour boat. That's nice. It's still raining over here, and we're, 150 kilometers away. Maybe more, 200. Rome was so hot yesterday. And then here is like cold. Rome was probably 33 or 34. Oh, just getting sprayed by something there. Which is like 94 or 95 degrees. I guess one year it got to 105. I don't know what you'd do in Rome with 105. The thing with Rome is there's no way to escape the heat when you're walking around. All the buildings are like indoor, outdoor, so the only way is to like go to your hotel. This is a nice city. It reminds me a bit of Bratislava. There's Zagreb. Not too much Budapest, though. I think it's on the Ljubljana River. Man, it is really fogging up. I guess that's the vibe. Foggy. You guys should tell me where you guys would like to see me go. I'm going to try and get all the way out to Bucharest, Romania. From there, I've got to go to like Georgia, Armenia. Never been there. The thing is, there's Turkey in between, and Ukraine. So it's like Ukraine up top of the Black Sea. Turkey to the south. I don't know how I'm going to get into Turkey. I'll have to figure that out. If I go that route, or if I fly into Georgia, Tbilisi, or Armenia. Yeah, just scoping it out, exploring the city. I had some Korean barbecue for lunch. I was in the mood for that. Probably should have eaten some local food, but I just got this big craving for Korean barbecue. It's nice. Go there. Sarajevo 84. You know, I'm kind of excited to go to Bosnia and Serbia. Slovenia is nice, but Bosnia and Serbia seems like they were a little bit more famous, just because, I guess, because of a war. But Sarajevo, I think, is called like the Athens of Europe or something like that. Jerusalem of Europe. So it's got a lot of religious stuff going on there. Mosques, Christian churches. I think Luka Doncic is from here. Oh. Uh-oh. I don't know what's going on. They seem to be fighting. Some sort of disagreement. Man, thunder again. You can hear it. Y'all can hear it. Yeah, there's a fog on the lens. I'm so sorry about that. So far, I've basically made it all the way down here without taking any flights. I mean, I've always wanted to go as far as I could without flying or hitting an airport. Just, you know, land only. Land border crossings, maybe ships, boats. But started in Scotland. I flew into Scotland. I was like, take me as far away to the north as you can from Bangkok. Flew up there, and then yeah, took trains all the way down to Rome. Took the train to Venice, and that was my first like bus, I guess. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was my first bus on this journey. Flixbus. It was decent. Wasn't too bad. Just when we were standing out in the rain. Italy, the last couple times I've been to Italy have been tough on me. It's a tough place. It's tough, tough, tough. You know, the people, you either get like the friendliest of people, or you'll just get someone who's just got no patience. Like I saw some of the ticket people at the museums yelling at like patrons, like just unnecessarily arguing with people. I'm talking about ticket agents, staff, but then you'd meet staff that would just be like so kind, go out of their way to help you. But I think what's happening in Italy is mass tourism. It's like mass tourism on a level you've never seen. I don't think there's any place that gets it. Maybe London gets it. What's this? Yeah, I know Slovenia is part of the EU and the Schengen visa zone. whereas Serbia and Bosnia are not. Frank Milosic, Slavic. But yeah, Italy was, it's like hot too. So a lot of people, high prices for like not very good accommodation. The accommodation is kind of run down. Customer service isn't very good. That's not their strength. And then so hot, mass tourism, high prices, low quality, not so happy people, locals. I mean, it's 50-50. Literally 1 in 2 people you talk to is the locals, friendly. There's like maybe a little bit of an in-between. Like one taxi driver, he was so nice. Took me around Florence, stopped the meter early. Like, I insisted on paying him more. He's like, no. Like, but then there was like some people, you know, trying to scam it. A little bit of scamming activity. Want to overcharge. To be fair, it's usually people who are not Italian. How do you know they're not Italian? Well, they don't speak Italian to you. And then plus I've traveled to 93 countries. I know I have a pretty good bearing on identification of things. I get it. Someone could be like a second generation Italian immigrant. That's of course possible, but Italians are Italians. It's like, I'll never be Italian even if I move to Italy. I'll never be European even if I move to Italy or Europe. I'll never be Thai or Chinese even if I move to China or Thailand. And I'm well aware of that. And that's okay. So what I'm saying is a lot of the people who were doing the funky stuff in Italy were not Italians. They were people from the outside doing funky things in Italy. Okay. So anyways, guys, I will see you on the next one from more of Yugoslavia, hopefully, if I can find buses or flights. Check out my other channel, VertCamp Travel, where I show you the travel process. That's like trains, planes, and automobiles. And then there's Island Hopper TV hotels. We show you the hotels, tours, and stuff like that. See you over there.